Back to my channel. This is Farheen Rehan welcoming you to Mastering Summary Writing from Basics to Aesthetic. Unlock the power of concise communication. In this presentation, I'll guide you step by step on how to summarize effectively and achieve top grades with expert techniques. This presentation will be helping you out to attempt your question 3 part A of your 1123, that is an English code. So follow till the end and you will be having some unique techniques to master an aesthetic in your question 3 part A. Let's begin with the basics. A summary condenses the main idea of text. It captures the essential information while omitting the minor details. But what's the purpose of summary writing? Well, summaries helps us grasp complete tasks quickly and reflect our understanding. In academics and professional life, summary writing is vital. It also a powerful tool to build critical thinking and analytical skills. Before writing a summary, strong reading habits are essential, and it plays a vital role in attempting this question. Start with active reading, read with intention, highlight key sentences, and annotate important points. Next, find the thesis. Identify the author's main argument. This forms the core of your summary. Then extract the key details, note down supporting evidence and examples, and leave out irrelevant data. Finally, outline mentally. Group related ideas and connect themes to visualize the structure before you begin writing. Once you have gathered your points and opinion, it's time to structure your summary. First, create an online outline. List the main points in a logical order using bullet points or numbers. Then draft your summary. Don't aim for perfection right away. Focus on clearly conveying the ideas and clarity of your ideas as well. Lastly, refine and edit. Ensure your writing is clear, concise, and grammatically accurate. One of the foremost thing you have to attempt is the grammatically you have to be accurate. Polishing your draft will improve both quality and impact. Two essential techniques for powerful summaries are conciseness and objectivity. For conciseness, use strong active verbs, cut out repetition and unnecessary words. Combine sentences where possible. For objectivity, stay neutral. Avoid inserting your opinions. Stick to what the author is saying and present facts accurately. Together, these skills ensure that your summary is both sharp, crisp, and fair. And please don't enter your opinions. It's a big no for your summary writing. Want to secure an A static? Use these advanced strategies. First, understand the rubric. Know exactly what the examiner is looking for and tailor your answer accordingly. Master the art of paraphrasing. Put ideas into your own words to demonstrate understanding. Manage your time wisely. Practice under time condition to build speed and focus. Finally, engage in critical analysis. Identify deeper themes, understand the author's purpose. This sets excellent summaries apart. There's a small list of do's and don'ts that you have to attempt for your summary writing. Let's look at the do's and don'ts. Do's: be accurate, be brief, use your own words, focus on main ideas, and maintain a logical flow. Now, please go for the don'ts as well. Don't add new information, don't include personal opinions, never copy directly, it's a big no. Skip excessive details and avoid making it too long. Sticking to these rules ensures your summary is clear, relevant, and effective. Here is your ultimate summary writing toolkit, and please keep this toolkit always in your stationery box that you are carrying in examination. Read actively, understand and annotate the draft concisely, focus on the essentials and write clearly. Refine objectively, check for accuracy and stay unbiased. Practice regularly. The more you summarize, the better you get. Apply these steps consistently to build expertise to attempt the summary question. Summary writing isn't just an academic skill, it's a life skill. With regular practice and reflection, your ability to condense complex text into powerful summaries will improve drastically. Be consistent, stay curious, and keep refining your technique. Mastery is just a matter of dedication and effort. Thank you for watching. If you found this presentation helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more educational content. Happy learning and happy summarizing. Follow for more.